Welcome to the ProKitchen wall tutorial. Walls are the foundation of your design and typically the very first thing you will draw when designing a kitchen. Measurements are critical and must be accurate. This tutorial will demonstrate how simple it is to draw walls in your ProKitchen software. Always start with the wall settings. The wall settings are located in the Design Settings under the Construction tab. To change a measurement, you can use the arrows at the end of each field. The left arrows will increase or decrease by inches. The right arrows will increase or decrease by fractions of an inch. Or you can simply highlight the field and type in a value. Under the Draw in Place tab are the Wall Sketch tools and the Wall Shapes. Wall shapes are templates to quickly add walls to your design. U-shape, L-shape, and rectangle. Select the layout by clicking on the icon that best suits your plan. Enter the measurements to the correlating wall label fields. ProKitchen understands both fractions and decimals. Use the Tab key to quickly move through the fields. Notice the wall height set in the design settings is already entered. Select an orientation and click OK. Now you can begin adding cabinets from a catalog. To delete a wall shape, right-click on any wall, select the wall group, and then delete from the submenu. To draw walls manually, use the Sketch tool. Click on the Sketch tool icon. Your cursor will change to a plus. That means edit mode in ProKitchen. Position your cursor on the plan view grid. Nudge the cursor in the direction you want your wall to be placed. Always draw walls clockwise or your placement zones will be on the wrong side and your cabinets will place backwards. Now take your hand off the mouse. Don't touch it again until you've added all your walls. Use the info box to set the wall settings. Notice the width field is already selected. Type the width, use the Tab key to move through the fields, press Enter to draw the wall. ProKitchen will draw the wall and begin the next wall. The cursor will return to the width field in the info box. If you only need to enter the length, type it in the width field and press Enter. Continue until all the walls are drawn. Then press Escape to exit edit mode. Now you can use your mouse to expand your plan view. Minimize the ribbon and hide your toolbar with the controls in the upper right-hand corner. Use the scroll on your mouse to zoom. Click on a wall to select it and display the green wall handles. Right-clicking will display the Wall Tools menu. Rotate, move, resize, and add wall can all be done with one click using the wall handles. Clicking on a wall handle will put you in edit mode so you can make changes. The left-right arrow moves the selected wall horizontally. The up-down arrow moves the selected wall vertically. Both may make changes to the measurements of adjoining walls. The V-shaped wall handle changes the angle of the corner at the opposite end of the selected wall. Use the angle field in the info box to keep your design measurements precise. The plus wall handle will add a wall and automatically connect it to any adjacent walls. Two tools that do not have wall handles because they require more than a single reference are Extrude and Bend and are accessed from the Wall Tools menu. Extrude will extrude or regress a portion of a wall. Once selected from the tool menu, a square will appear on the selected wall and follow your cursor. Click to mark your starting point. Move the cursor in or out, up or down to create the desired indentation, and click to set. Bend will add a concave or a convex radius to the selected wall. Once selected from the menu, move the cursor to the location of the crown of the curve and click to set. To change an individual wall, use the wall's attributes. Simply double-click on that wall to open up the Attributes dialog box. Attributes set the construction, placement, measurement, shape, material, and texture of each wall individually. For example, a pony wall would be an adjustment in the attribute of that wall's dimensions, and an accent wall would be a change in the texture. To make a precise radius wall, click on the Curvature tab. Select the type of curvature, convex or concave, and then select the radius measurement parameter by selecting sector, depth, or radius. Use the checkbox bigger than a semicircle to override a parameter's limitation. Press the 3D button under the preview window to change the view into 3D, and use the navigation buttons to adjust the image in the preview. Click OK to save your changes. In ProKitchen, it only takes accurate measurement in 5 minutes to draw a floor plan to start designing your customer's dream kitchen, regardless of the architectural circumstances. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you found it beneficial.